If your iPhone Wi Fi option is grayed out and you can't turn it on, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common issue called iPhone Wi Fi grayed out problem or Wi Fi not turning on issue. And I'll show you a few quick fixes that actually work. Okay, fix one, airplane mode reset. First, swipe down and turn airplane mode on. Wait for about 20 to 30 seconds. Just let the network reset. Now turn it off again. Then go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and check if it's working. This quick trick often fixes Wi-Fi not working on iPhone instantly. Okay, fix 2, screen time restrictions. If that doesn't work, check restrictions. Go to Settings, Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's enabled, just turn it off and try your Wi-Fi again. Sometimes this blocks system changes without you realizing it. Okay, fix 3, reset settings. Still stuck? Okay, try this. Go to Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. First, try Reset Network Settings. If it still doesn't work, go for Reset All Settings. Your iPhone will restart and fix most software-related Wi-Fi issues.